If you received a product from AliExpress that isn't what you expected or is damaged, here's a simple step-by-step guide to return it and get a refund. Let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your laptop and go to aliexpress.com. Then, log into your account. Now, hover your mouse over your profile picture at the top right corner, then click on My Orders. Now, my account is a demo account, so I don't have any orders, but in your account, you should see a list of all the items you've purchased. Find the order you want to return and click on View Details. After that, look for the Open Dispute or Return and Refund option and click on it. Then, select the reason for your return. It could be damaged, not as described, or the wrong item. Be honest and specific. Then, choose whether you want a full refund, partial refund, or a replacement depending on the seller's options. And if required, upload photos or videos of the item to help the seller process the request faster. Then, check the return address provided by the seller and carefully package your item before sending it back. Once the seller receives the returned item, they usually process the refund within a few days. You can track the status in your order details under dispute details. And that's all. If there are any delays or issues, click on Contact Customer Service for support directly through the AliExpress website. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.